Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you double tap to lock screen setting guys. How to on and use friends you want to on get double tap to lock screen. So how to on guys Poco phone get double tap to lock screen setting and how to use it today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends, and now let's see how to use double tap to lock screen setting on Poco phone device. So and first of all we will on guys our Poco phone setting. After on phone setting guys, where is get double tap to lock screen setting. So once you can see guys you're always on display lock screen setting guys. So when lock double tap to wake screen setting guys we have, but guys lock screen setting is not here. So when we will click on guys Poco phone home screen setting guys. After click on home screen guys, where is get double tap to lock screen setting friends. Friends you can see the second last option double tap to lock screen. Friends you can see double tap a blank spot on the home screen to lock. So when we will on after on how to use, friends come back. When this blank area on your home screen, when you will get double tap your screen will lock automatic. So like that guy we can lock our phone with double tap. Friends don't click your power off button. You want to lock your screen, get double tap here, your screen will lock guys. So I hope friends you understood guys how to on and use get double tap to lock screen setting. Friends you don't want to use, friends click on guys your Poco phone home screen setting guys, and friends second last option double tap to lock screen setting guys. We will tap here. Friends now you can double tap, say tap, four tap, your screen will not off. You can see double tap screen to not off guys. So like that we can use get double tap to wake, also get double tap to lock screen setting on Poco phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.